Okay, my steps for topping a job, what I've done right now is I've ran all of the corner bead. I've ran all of the corner bead. I've done all of the patching, any patching that was done. So I've coated all those. This was a big patch. This actually was a piece of tape that came out at the last minute from what somebody else did. But I got all the corner bead ran. I got all the low patching done. Here's some underneath the window. All that over there. Okay. And now I'm going to jump up and I'm going to do all the high patches. I've got a lot of patches on these ceilings. I'll show you. And I've got to just coat in all the high patches. And then I'll spot the screws up there, jump down, spot the low screws. And then all I have to do is run a 10 box and cross it off and get out of here. Hey, the drywall doctor here. I'm with my daughter, Allison. We're way out here in Missouri on my dad's farm in southern Missouri. It's a beautiful farm. We have dogs everywhere. There are hummingbirds galore. I mean, I just heard one. But let me show you what I'm going to look like when I get to be about 86, 87 years old. Okay? Because I'm going to show you my dad. So this is what I'm going to look like, guys, when I get to be about 86, 87 years old. I'm not going to look like this guy. Nope, I'm not going to look like him. I'm not going to look like him either. But I could look like this. I could look just like this when I get to be 86, 87 years old. So, say hi, Dad. So, and that was my dad. So this is the drywall doctor. This is the drywall doctor's dad right here. And we're going to say, you guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.